I just conducted two different tests with the two different variations of Qwen 3.5. One was Qwen 3.5 Plus, and the other one is the Qwen 3.5 397 billion parameters model. And this is the result. This is from the Qwen 3.5 Plus right over here. You can see I generated this landing page for an AI startup. This looks really good. You can see the level of UI UX right over here. And this one was generated using Qwen 3.5 397 billion parameters model. And I really like this cursor glue right over here. Now you must be wondering, why am I talking about these results? Because what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be setting up our personal AI agent, that too for free. And we're going to use this open source model, which is Qwen 3.5, and it is open source. So you can use it for free and locally on your computer. And for that, we're going to be using Ollama to run and host this locally on a device. And then we're going to use OpenClaw to turn the capabilities of Qwen 3.5 as a personal agent. And I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you're going to set this up. And not just how you're going to set up Ollama, we're going to show you how you're going to install OpenClaw and how we can run Qwen 3.5 in OpenClaw. So with that said, let's get started with the video. Hi and welcome back to Skill Club. This is the host Shamriz and we're finally getting started with this video. So first off, what you need to do is you need to head to ollama.com and you have to install Ollama locally for your computer. You can download Ollama by clicking here, or you can just copy and paste this inside your terminal. Also, you have to log in with Ollama so that you have a specific free quota of models that you can run. Now, once you're done with setting up your Ollama, what you need to do is head to Models tab right over here, and you have to search for the Qwen 3.5 model. As you can see right here, we have the Qwen 3.5 series 397 billion parameters model right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click here, and it is pretty simple to run this locally on a computer. You just have to copy this, open up your terminal, and here you just have to paste in that command that you just copied from Ollama's dashboard and hit enter. Now this should run Qwen 3.5, the cloud version on your computer, as you can see right now. And I can even ask it, what model are you? And it should respond with its model name, which is Qwen 3.5. There you go. I am Qwen 3.5, the latest large language model developed by Tongi Lab. I feature a 256K context window and support over 100 languages. So this verifies that we're running Qwen 3.5. Now you must be wondering, how was it so easy to run a massive model on a computer? Because this model is being run on the cloud, as you can see right here. So this flag signifies that this model is being run on the cloud by Ollama. You don't have to have a massive hardware for this. But if you want to run this locally, you need to have good specs and hardware for your computer. Now, if you go to the settings, you can pretty much see your cloud usage, and you can see I have not used my cloud whatsoever so far. So I can pretty much use enough of this model with the rate limiting. So that's that. Now let's head back to the model section, and in Qwen 3.5, now what we need to do is we need to run it inside OpenClaw. So we have this command right over here, which is going to make sure that it's going to launch OpenClaw and run the model Qwen 3.5 Cloud on it. That if you have Ollama installed, you can also interact with Ollama through this graphical user interface. And here you can select the model, whichever you want to go with, and just download it. The ones with the cloud icon in front, you don't need to download them. You can use them with your free quota over at Ollama. So we can choose Qwen 3.5 Cloud right over here as well. Pretty simple, right? This was something that I wanted to show you guys, but let's get back to the video. Now, before running this OpenClaw command, we need to install OpenClaw on our computer. So for that, we have to head to openclaw.ai, and right over here, if you zoom in, I'm going to be using npm. You can use the one-liner right over here, which you can just paste in inside your terminal and it would work. And you just have to copy this npm install globally OpenClaw command and open up your terminal. You can also use your admin terminal if you have some restrictions on your current user, but I'm already in my admin account, so I don't need to do that. Let's just paste this in, and it's going to install OpenClaw globally on my computer. So let's just hit enter and wait for it to install it. Once this is installed, the next step is going to be getting on board with OpenClaw. Or we can just skip this step, go back to our Ollama, and here just copy this command right over here, which is going to launch OpenClaw and run Qwen 3.5 Cloud on it. So let's just go back to our terminal and wait for it to install OpenClaw. So there you go, we have OpenClaw installed. Let me just clear the screen. Now, once you have OpenClaw installed, we can run Qwen 3.5 directly in OpenClaw using this command right over here. But as I said at the start of the video, that I'm going to show you a step-by-step method of how you can set up OpenClaw on your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to type OpenClaw onboard on your terminal once you have OpenClaw installed, and it's going to start with the onboarding process. Now they're going to ask you whether you want to take this risk because OpenClaw is powerful and risk. So yes, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and start with onboarding quick start right over here, and let's go ahead and update the values. My AI provider is going to be Ollama, and as you can see right over here, we don't have Ollama in the list, but don't worry, we can either skip this step for now, or what we can do is we can use the virtual LLM, which is local or self-hosted. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip this for now. Now, once you skip that step, it's going to give you the option in the next step where you can choose Ollama right over here. And once you choose your provider, it's going to ask you which model you want to run. So as you can see, I am already running Qwen 3.5 Cloud, as you can see right over here. So it's going to ask me whether I want to keep the current one, or you can have multiple models right here running on your computer. So I'm just going to go with Qwen 3.5 Cloud. There you go. Now I have to select channel, what we call a tool where I'm going to be talking with OpenClaw. You can go ahead and scan your WhatsApp. I have already linked my WhatsApp with OpenClaw already. But for this specific use case, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to skip this and just hit enter. Now, it's going to ask you whether you want to configure skills right now or later. I'm just going to go ahead and say yes. And here you can choose your skill. What kind of skills do you want to have? There are options like Obsidian right over here. But I'm just going to go ahead and say, I want the skill to summarize stuff. So what it's going to do is it's going to extract text or transcript from URLs or podcasts and local files and then summarize that stuff for me. Yeah, I want this tool. So if you want to select the tool, you just have to hit space and it's going to select that tool, and then you can move to the next one. And once you're done selecting all of them, you can just hit enter and it's going to move forward. And once you're done, just hit enter and there you go. It's going to start installing the summarize, but there was some issues with it. So it didn't work out well. For now, I'm just going to leave this as it is. So now that your onboarding is done, we can finally go and copy this. And I'm just going to go back to my terminal and paste that right inside my terminal, where I'm going to launch OpenClaw and run the model Qwen 3.5 Cloud. Pretty simple, right? Let's go ahead and proceed. There you go. It's launching OpenClaw with Qwen 3.5 Cloud. Pretty good. This is going to be the command line side of OpenClaw, or we can go to this dashboard session where we can control OpenClaw. So this is the OpenClaw control. We can chat with it however we want to. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, hey, OpenClaw, what model are you using? So there you go. You can see it gave me a response, which is I'm using Qwen 3.5 Cloud via Ollama right now, and it's running locally on your machine. This is my machine's name. All right, so this is how you can run and interact with OpenClaw, and you can add agents to it. You can go to the agents tab, also add tools, skills, pretty much anything that you want. So let's say I want to add a channel, which is WhatsApp right over here. So I can pretty much go ahead and scan my WhatsApp. And what it's going to do is I can interact with the OpenClaw through my WhatsApp. This is really mind blowing. And not just WhatsApp, you can just go down and add as many channels as you want. You can track the usage history right over here, and you can work on the configs right here. So if you want to add a new channel, just go to channels and hey, I want to update this config and I want to add another channel. Also, you can add your environment variables and environment stuff right over here. So this is a really, really powerful agent that you can have on your computer in your arsenal, and that too for free. OpenClaw is free. You get Qwen 3.5, your open source AI backer, and Ollama. All of these models, everything that I did till this point was free, and you get your personal AI assistant on your computer. I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and try out Qwen 3.5. As you can see, the results are really good, and you can run this locally on a computer without having to have a good hardware, because this is running on the cloud with a very generous rate limiting. With that said, I want to wrap this video up. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.